a versatile and nutritious legume, offers a range of health benefits that make it a valuable addition to your diet. Firstly, carob is naturally low in fat and calories, making it an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight. Secondly, it is a rich source of dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness, which can help curb overeating. Additionally, carob is packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins like B2 and B6, as well as minerals such as calcium and potassium, which contribute to overall well-being. Lastly, carob contains antioxidants like polyphenols, which can help protect your cells from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. With its numerous health benefits, carob is a nutritious alternative to conventional sweets and a smart choice for those seeking a healthier lifestyle. Ingredients: carob,